Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations.
Dear Christopher, here is your friend Thomas the Tank Engine. He wanted to come out of his station yard and see the world. These stories tell you how he did it. I hope you will like them because you helped me to make them. Your loving Daddy.
The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas! Hello, Thomas!
Hello, everybody! Welcome to the island of Sodor!
It was a sunny day on the island of Sodor, and Gordon was waiting for his express coaches at Knapford Station. Hurry up, you! Hurry up yourself! Well, how can I hurry up when you don't hurry up with those coaches? The express needs to keep to time, you know. Yes, whatever. We big engines want to be on time, and we are important to people. Not like you little tank engines on your little branch lines. And make sure to be on time with those coaches tomorrow. Thomas, you seem a bit, What, Percy? Angry? Fed up? Annoyed? Well, yes, Percy, I am! Oh, I'm sorry, Percy. It's just that Gordon keeps calling me a little tank engine, and he thinks he's so important. Well, I will show him. Perhaps I can pull the express tomorrow, just to let him know that little engines can do big things too. I wouldn't do that if I were you, Thomas. Remember the last time you did that? You lost control of the coaches and they all got derailed. The Fat Controller didn't like that at all. You're right there, Percy. You should just ignore him, Thomas. Remember the time when he said that this was your whole world, here in the shunting yard? Well, you did prove him wrong by going on a big wood adventure, remember? You're right, Percy. I should just ignore him when he says such things. But sometimes that can be so hard. Yeah, I know. Luckily, I know how to keep my temper with him. The next morning, Thomas couldn't wake up. His fire went out, and there wasn't enough steam. So Percy had to fetch Gordon his coaches, otherwise the express would be late, and that would never do. Hurry up, you little caterpillar! Just ignore him, Percy. Just ignore him. If you keep puffing this slowly, I'm afraid that you will puff backwards instead. Keep your temper, Percy. Just ignore him. But I can understand why you are puffing so slowly, of course. You don't want to lose control of the train and plunge into the sea. Okay, that's it. Percy, where on earth are you going with those coaches? Back to the shunting yards. That lazy piece of machinery can fetch them himself. Percy, get back here now! Oh, the indignity. It was much later when Gordon fetched the coaches again, and now the train was running really late. The passengers were very angry, and so was the Fat Controller. Whoever caused this disturbance should have to explain it to me. I'm sorry, sir, but it's just that Gordon keeps calling me and Thomas little. We don't stand for it anymore, sir. He thinks he's everything, and he thinks we are nothing. Gordon should be taught a lesson. The sooner the better. The Fat Controller understood Percy, but he also said that he should have known better than delaying the train. Percy understood, and promised to never do such things again, but he was still very cross when the Fat Controller left. There he is, the most arrogant engine on this railway. Huh! I would rather be an arrogant engine than a lazy, small and silly one like you and Thomas. I mean, you two can't even fetch coaches properly. Thomas and Percy decided not to argue with Gordon, and they decided to go to sleep instead. But they didn't know that from this night on, Gordon wasn't going to bully them anymore. Wake up, you lazy bones! Whoa! You need to fetch my coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. Please hurry along, because I hate being late. What is all this about? You are supposed to fetch my coaches. Is something wrong, Thomas? Yes, sir. Gordon refuses to fetch Annie and Clarabelle for me. Gordon, you lazy piece of machinery. I don't want to argue with you anymore. I already removed you from the express duty, so if that wasn't enough... What? No! You mean that another engine will take the express? Yes, Gordon, and that engine is Percy. What? No! Percy isn't strong enough to pull that many coaches on his own. Well, he got a big upgrade, so I think you will find that he actually is capable of doing it, Gordon. Wait, there he comes. Gordon, you lazy engine! Hurry up with my express coaches! Percy? Is that really you? No, I'm Thomas, Gordon. Of course I'm Percy. Gordon, fetch the coaches, now! This can't be true. Hurry up, you! Yes, I'm coming. Hold your steam. Finally, and make sure to be on time tomorrow with these coaches. With my coaches, you mean? Hey, Gordon, how is everything back here in the shunting yard? You are allowed to take those stinky fish fans to the other side of the yard. Do it yourself. Never mind, I will go. Hold on, what's all this about? I'm going faster and faster, and my brakes aren't working. Help! 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 Oh no, 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 oh no, no, no! Thomas, get me out of here, otherwise I will drown. I'm not too sure about that, Gordon. Percy? The Fat Controller thinks you are pretty much useless on this railway now, and he gave me a special job to do. What's that, Percy? Well, watch and see. Percy, what are you doing? This will teach you, this will teach you. Percy, stop! I'm so very sorry that I bullied you for such a long time. It's too late now, Gordon. Ah, look! The Fat Controller even made a special siding for this special occasion. Percy, what are you going to do? Well, let's just say, Fat Controller's orders. Percy, I'm... Oh no! Don't worry, Gordon. I will rush by with the express every day to see how much you'll turn to rust. Percy, no! Don't leave me here! Why was I so rude to them? And how am I ever going to get back on the rails? Oh no, oh no. Gordon! Oh my! What happened? Well, I shunted your coaches. That's what's happened. You need to hurry up, otherwise you'll be late. Does that mean that I can pull the express again? Yes? Oh, this is great news. I will rush to my coaches and pull the express on time like never before. And thank you for fetching my coaches, Percy. You really are a really useful engine. Is it just me, or did Gordon suddenly change overnight? Oh, well, yeah. As far as I remember, Gordon was very rude to us last night. Unless that has been a dream. I don't know anymore, honestly. Well, at least we know one thing for sure, and that is that Gordon had a nightmare. But in this case, a really useful nightmare.